Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm dyeing a piece of cotton fabric that's going to be turned into masks. I've soaked my fabric in soda ash, wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer, and I'm going to accordion or fan fold this fabric. My fan folds are probably about 2 inches wide. After I'm finished with my fan folds, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. I'm going to try not to tie it too tight because I don't want it to fold the fabric in half. But I am going to tie it tight enough so that it holds it all in place. I came back later and decided to go ahead and accordion fold the fabric that I had fan folded. So that's what I'm doing now. And once that's done, I'm going to hold it in place with just a couple of rubber bands. Okay, so now it's time to start applying the dye. I placed an order with Pro Chemicals this past week and just got my dye in, so I'm going to try a couple of colors that I purchased from them. The first one is Cherry Blush, then I'm going to use Iris, which is also a Pro Chemicals color, followed by Cotton Candy. Here again, this is also a Pro Chemicals color. Then I'm going to turn the fabric over and put the cotton candy right down the middle on the other side. Then on both sides of the cotton candy, I'm going to use Dharma's Plum. The Pro Chemicals colors that I mixed up, I used 2 teaspoons of dye in 1 cup of water. After I checked my folds, I went ahead and added a lot more of the color to both sides. Alright, so this is what our fabric looks like after it's been washed. And then I gave all the fabric to my mom and she made this mask out of it. And I think this looks really cool. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, could you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.